Yes. A body thrown into a with some initial velocity making some angle. Some angle. That is some angle. That is u cos theta horizontal direction, u sin theta vertical direction. Then the ball collides with the horizontal is semi-elastic. Semi-elastic. Next one. Here it is the tangential normal. Tangential and normal. Sir, you know very well, I think so. Tangential component of velocity won't change. Why? Because there is no external force, no acceleration, no external force, no acceleration, and that of velocity constant. So that this is the tangent. That means u cos theta remains same. Then coefficient of restitution, we know very well, sir. Relative velocity of separation to relative velocity of approach along the normal direction. Normal direction. Relative velocity of separation to relative velocity of approach along the normal direction. That is, here the collision is between the ground and that of the ball. Ground and the ball. Ground is always at rest before collision as well as after collision. V20, U20, V20, U20. So that is V1 equal to minus E into U1. V1 equal to minus E into U1. That means along the normal direction, velocity becomes after collision EU sin theta. What about negative sign? You may get it out back. This it collides and moves back. Look at here, sir. This is the colliding velocity. U sin theta, U cos theta. That you know very well, I think so. Normal component is reversed with E times. Tangential component won't change. For second collision, sir, E square U sin theta. And this is U cos theta 1. Third collision, E cube U sin theta, E cube U sin theta, U cos theta, so on like this. Every time it is multiplied by E times. Every time it is multiplied with the U times, E times, no, E times. So that's why normal component is changing, but parallel component won't change. So you may get it out like this. What about range of the projectile? First part is R equal to Ux into Tm. Ux into T. That is U cos theta into T. U cos theta into T. U cos theta. T is what, sir? T is what? 2u sin theta by c, time of flight. 2u sin theta by c. Then R equal to u square sin 2 theta by c. This is first before hitting first collision. Before hitting, this is the range. Next, sir, for after hitting, before hitting is this is the range. Before. After hitting, what we are going to observe? Sir, don't forget it. Don't forget it. Time of flight changes because time of flight is concerned to uy, vertical component of velocity, 2uy by z. This is before. After collision. Range means next collision. R equal to u cos theta. Time of flight change. 2u sin theta by c. Into I think so you can understand. That is R is equal to E into U square sin 2 theta by z. This is for first collision. Let it be R is the before collision, R1 is after collision. Next, sir, time of flight changes as well as height changes, range. Three terms are going to affect, sir. Semi-elastic collision causes the effect in time of flight, range, maximum height. Three terms are going to be affected, sir. Then I think so you can get out like this. For second collision, for one collision, one. Second collision, R2 equal to E square U sin 2 theta by C. For nth collision, Rn equal to E power n into U square sin 2 theta by C. For nth collision, sir. Nth collision, this is the distance traveled. Next, sir, total distance traveled before coming to rest. 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 How to get? R, R1, R2, R3, so on, sir. So on, before coming to rest. Now that is R total is equal to R1 U square sin 2 theta by 6 plus E into U square sin 2 theta by 6 plus E square sin 2 theta by 6 U square, so on like this, sir. If I take common, U square sin 2 theta by 6 common, sir, I am going to get like this: 1 plus E square plus E cube plus so on. Now that it is U square sin 2 theta by C into 1 by 1 minus C. Since 1 plus X plus X square plus so on gives 1 by 1 minus X. You know very well, I think. This is infinite series. Teju?
Sir.
Teju, stop recording. Okay. Time of nth collision is 2u sin theta by z, general formula. For nth collision, e power n, hn equal to, sir, u square sin square theta by 2c, e power 2n is the nth collision. Simply I am going to say like this, sir. Nth collision equal to time of flight into e power n, that is h into e power 2n, sir. So the overall conclusion is for oblique projectile, time of flight, range, and the maximum height is going to be affected according to the situation. For example, if it is range, e power n times, or time of flight, t power n, tn equal to e power n into t, maximum height equal to h equal to e power 2n into h. Teju, stop the recording. Teju, example for this model. A body thrown into a with velocity 20 meter per second, making an angle 37 degrees above. 37 degrees. And they can ask us like this: time of third collision, time of flight of third collision, height of third collision, range of third collision, next, total distance traveled, total range before coming to rest. If they ask us how to approach the problem, right? So first of all, you know about this u cos theta, 20 cos 37 cos 37, sir, tan 37, 3 by 4, 3, 4, 5, cos 37 4 by 5. You know very well, I think so. 5 4s are 16 meter per second. In vertical direction, sir, u sin theta component is there. U sin theta 20 sin 37, 20 sin 37, sin 37 sir, 3 by 5, 4 sum. Now that is equal to 12 meters per second is the vertical velocity. Once again, sir, horizontal is u cos theta, vertical is u sin theta because theta is with the horizontal, sir. Next one. So this is a tangential to the surface. Normal. Just now I said with you. Tangential component won't change. U cos theta is remains same. U sin theta becomes what? U sin theta. This normal component of U sin theta becomes E times U sin theta. So first we want to calculate P3, H3, R3, R total. How to get this? And given, sir, coefficient of restitution is equal to 1 by 2. Coefficient of restitution is given to me is 1 by 2. So time of nth collision Tn equal to e power n into 2u sin theta by 6. E power n into 2u sin theta by 6. E power n amount. E power 3. 2u sin theta by 6. Why it is third collision time of flight. That is E value amount. 2 cube, 1 by 2 cube, 2 into u sin theta. 2 into 12 sin theta, 2 into 12 by g amount 10. G value, take it as 10, sir. 2 into 12 into by 10 amount. Now that is equal to, sir, 1 by 8 into 24 by 10. Right. 8 ones are 8 threes are 0.3 seconds is the 0.3 seconds is the time of flight of third collision. You may get it out like this. Height of third collision, that is e power 6 2n into u squared sin 2 theta by c amount. Observe it, sir. Height is drastically decreases because it is e power n whole square. Amount. That is e power 6 u square sin 2 theta sin square theta by z 2z none. U square sin square theta by 2z. Once again, please. H3 equal to e power 2n into u square sin square theta by 2z is the height, sir. Range is u square sin 2 theta by 0. Sorry. E power 6 into u square sin square theta by 2z. E power 6, sir. 1 by 2 power 6 because e value 2 sin square theta or u sin square theta, sir. This 12 square 12 into 12 by 2 into g amount 20. Once again, sir, 1 by 2 power 6 u square u sin theta whole square, sir. U sin theta 12 u is 20, sir. U sin theta, you know, 12 into 12 by 2z 20. Next, sir, 2 power 6 amount that we can write like this, sir. This 4 3s up 2 power 4 amount. Next, sir, 4 3s up 2 square amount. So now that is 9 by 4 into 20, sir. 9 by 4 into 20 amount. So that is equal to, sir, 9 by 80, sir. 9 by 80 means, sir, 0 point. That you can understand. 9 by 8 meters. Observe it, sir. Height decreases so much, sir. Drastically decreases because e power 2n term. Next, sir, R3 term. Range of R3, sir. R3 equal to how to get, sir? That is u square sin 2 theta by g into e power n. Here it is e power n. Time of flight and range are decreased only e power n times, sir. Here is e power 2n times. Now that is u square, sir. U square 400 20 whole square 2 into sin 37, sir. Sin 37 3 by 5 cos 37, sir. 4 by 5 2 sin theta cos theta by g over 10 e power 2n, sir. E power n means 2 power 3. I think so you can understand, sir. Nothing is there, sir. 10 ones, sir. 10 twos, sir. 2 cube amount. 4 ones, sir. 4 twos, sir. We cancel amount. 4 twos, sir. 8 gets cancelled. Now what I am getting, sir? 40 into 3 by 25. 40 into 3 by 25, sir. 4 8 4 5 24 by 5 that is equal to sir 24 by 5 sir. Now that is 5 4s 4.8 meters is the range. Observe it. Height value is drastically decreases because it is 1 by 8 times compared to this. Here is 1 by 2 power 6. Here is 1 by 2 cube. Right. Range, time of flight, and height. Whatever it is, overall is range, time of flight, height, or decreases. That's the conclusion. Next amount, you may get it out like this. How to get total distance traveled? Just now I said with you, sir. R total is equal to u square sin 2 theta by g into 1 minus 1 by e. 1 minus 1 by e. Plus u square amount. Just now I did, sir. 400. Sin 2 theta amount. 2 into 3 by 5, 4 by 5, 2 sin theta cos theta by g 10 sir. 1 minus 1 by e. 1 minus e sir. 1 by g. Sir, I think so. 10 gets cancelled. 10 gets cancelled. Next sir. 5 ones are 5 8s are 5 ones are 5 8s are sir. Next amount. Remaining things sir. 2 this 2 also goes to numerator sir. Now I am getting like this sir. 8 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 4 sir by 5. Once again sir, calculation take care. 8 into 2 into denominator 2 also comes numerator sir. 3 into 4 into 5. 1 5 left sir. Now 8 4s are 32. 32 into 12 by 5 12 by 5 sir. Now that is equal to 32 into 12 by 5, that is equal to sir. 12 2s are 24, 12 3s are 36 36 38 sir, 384 sir by 5 5 now that is equal to sir 5 7s are 35 5 7s are 35, 3 left sir, 3 4 5 6 are 76.8 meters sir. Roughly I am thinking sir. Once again 5 7s are 35, left 3 3 4 5 6 are 30 4.4 are 40, so 76.8 meters is the total distance traveled before coming to rest. Observe it sir, so many times. I think so you can understand. So this is about range calculation, time of flight, and maximum height sir, and total distance.